Um, can anyone who speaks the language can teach the language? I don't think that that's true. I mean, when you are a teacher, you need to have certain preparation in terms of teaching techniques and methods to actually teach the language. People who speak the language are people who know the language and people who can speak the language, but in a in a way that it's empirical. That means that they know the language because they've been using it for a long time, and they speak the language because it's being just there all around them. But even though if you are a native speaker who speaks the language, that doesn't mean that you are going to be a great teacher. I mean, only because you can't take um, a tool, that doesn't mean that you are going to be able to fix the car. So I think that in order to be a great teacher, you need to study some techniques and study some methods. Just have some experience teaching, and you do need to have a certain certification. I think that when you go to the university or you study some online courses, you are going to learn what other people are doing. I think that you need some theory too. I think that you need some exemplification in order to actually understand what the students need and what you need as a teacher. I think that in many cases, when you can speak the language, that is a plus. But you need to prepare yourself to be in a classroom setting in order to acquire some experience and in order to know what you really need to give to students. So I don't really think that anyone who speaks the language can teach the language. You need to have the methods and the techniques.